So here you have the seats of the Renault Espace. It's the shorter version, not the grand version. The seats are upside down, so you have two ropes. The black one removes the entire seat and the red one folds the back of the seat. So you have to pull these. They are pulled back by elastic. They have rollers. That's for moving the seat forward and backward. They look identical. Here we have these parts which are connected to those rails. These things are grabbing. Those can be pushed in. So by pulling this black strap, these connectors will go in. Those also. Like so. And to get them out, you have to push these in. So when you put back the seat, these will be pushed down. Push in this, and both of them came out. So pull the black, they go in. You can remove the seat. When you insert the seat, these will go in and they will lock the seat. So in order to put back the seat, I have to pull those, and now it can enter. So they are not too lightweight. The elastics are old. You have to lift this and then you can lift that part. So the red one is for the back of the seat. Anchor point for the child seat. And that's for moving the seat forward and backward, as it's visible there, but it's also for removing the entire seat. So here in this car, as we can see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, 8 rails, I think. And this seat is not yet inserted, but it will go here and there. So these two might be for putting just 2 seats here in the back row instead of 3. And then this would not come here, but you will have an empty space in the middle. And the one seat would come here and the other to the other side. Let's try to insert this seat somehow. So place it into the rail, and I think it's ready. It's not moving. Lift this one and the top comes up. Lift it once more and it goes behind. And to push the seat back, just lift this one. It's below the seat. So just lift this one and you can slide the seat forward and backward. And the seats are back.